No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still?
Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This is Ray Mack. This is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna throw a ham steak on the grill, alright? And these are the ingredients that I do have. I have a Smithfield cured ham, alright? I got some orange juice, I got some brown sugar with some yellow mustard, and I got some Mike D's sweet and spicy rub. This is an old label of Mike D's. He got a new label, and I'm gonna leave his description below if you guys want to ever try this out, okay? So that's some good stuff. Then I have like 2 tablespoons of butter, and that's it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the basting sauce, because these are what these ingredients are basically gonna be for, basting. Alright, so I'm going to prepare the basting sauce right now, and then after that, I'm going to throw this here ham on the grill. So let's go ahead, y'all, and get the grilling. Alright, so I melted the butter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of this sugar in that, brown sugar. And I'm going to leave a measurement in the description box if you guys ever want to give this basting a try on some of your pork. Alright, then I'm going to add some of this here mustard. Put a little bit of mustard in there, just a little bit, I don't want too much. And so I'm going to add some of this here Mike D's sweet and spicy seasoning. You could use whatever type of seasoning that you have on hand, but I like the flavor of this here Mike D's, and it gives the right kick as far as the spices goes. Alright, and I mean, this is really some good stuff. You guys really need to try this out. And then I'm gonna put some orange juice in here. That's about it. So I'm gonna give this here a nice little twirl. This is going to be the base for the ham. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and cap that up. And I'm going to get the ham on the grill. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this ham steak on the grill. And I have a brick with aluminum foil. Sit that right on top. And as soon as this browns over on the other side, we'll go ahead and flip it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and flip this, y'all. And then we're going to baste it after we flip. So this is the first flip. So what we're going to do with that that basting sauce that we created, we're just going to go ahead and brush that right on top. Alright, and once we do this, y'all, we're going to let this go on and cook for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to continue to flip and continue to baste every so often. So after that first step, you can go ahead, man, and start flipping however whenever you feel like it, and basting it. So I'm gonna let this go for 20 minutes, then I put the brick right back on top. Alright. Y'all, these allergies got me. We are steady basting. I got me some potatoes and onions in this foil. Smells so good. Alright, I'm gonna give this one more good flip. After that, we're gonna take this on off. One more good flip. And we're gonna go ahead and baste it. This will be the last base. And we'll be ready to go ahead and fix us up a plate. Everything is looking good and smelling good. Yes, indeed. Put that brick back on. And that's it. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you could also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate. Peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.